Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Aviator code in Aviator Predictor app in Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. First thing first, you need to download the app. Now go ahead, search in Aviator Predictor in your browser. You can get one of the download version of it, so go ahead, tap on the download option. Once you have downloaded the app itself, we will be able to go through the app, and it will simply provide you the instruction of how you can get the activation code. Now typically you will need to register an account within the app, which might involve providing an email address or other personal information. The activation code is often sent to the provided email address to verify the account, right? If you don't have that, if you don't get that, the alternative method is the activation code might be obtained through a specific website, which you need to little dig through, or if you have any other person who has Aviator Predictor, they can also give you the activation code as well. So you need to make sure that you are obtaining from either a website or a linked website where you can simply purchase the code itself. Then all you have to do is enter the code, get inside the app, and enjoy the app itself. You can use it. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.